In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo and redo actions on Google Docs. Whether you're editing an important document or simply making adjustments to your notes, knowing how to quickly undo or redo your actions can be a real lifesaver. Google Docs provides a straightforward way to manage your edits, and the tools are just a click away. Let's dive in and explore how you can efficiently use these functions to streamline your document editing process. First, let's talk about how to undo an action. Imagine you're working on your document and you accidentally delete a paragraph or type something incorrect. Don't worry, because reversing your last action is quite simple in Google Docs. Look up to the toolbar at the top of your screen. You'll find a curved arrow pointing to the left. This is your undo button. By clicking this icon, which also corresponds to the keyboard shortcut, Cmd+Z on a Mac or Ctrl+Z on Windows, you can easily reverse your most recent change. This feature is super handy when you want to backtrack on something that you've just done, allowing you to revert back with just a click or a keystroke. Now, let's move on to the redo action. This is particularly useful if you change your mind after undoing something or if you realize your previous action was indeed appropriate. To redo an undone action, look next to the Undo button, where you'll find another curved arrow, this time pointing to the right. This is your Redo button. Click on this icon or use this shortcut. Cmd+Y on Mac or Ctrl+Y on Windows to redo the action you just reversed. It's a quick and efficient way to reinstate what you originally did if you had second thoughts about your changes. Using undo and redo is essential for flawless document management because these tools give you the flexibility to make changes with ease and without fear of losing your work. A quick tip: you can perform multiple undo or redo actions by repeatedly clicking the respective buttons or using their shortcuts, which can be particularly useful during extensive editing sessions. Mastering these functions will save you time and ensure that your document editing is both effective and efficient. And that's it. Now you know how to effortlessly undo and redo actions in Google Docs. With these tips in your toolkit, you can handle your document edits with confidence and precision. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video, where we'll continue exploring more tips and tricks for Google Docs and beyond.